Hey Internet. So I always enjoy watching other people's videos of kits that they use out in the field for their SOTA efforts, so I thought I'd just share what I got going on over here. Basically everything fits inside of this bag right here. It's just a 1-gallon Ziploc. Inside I have a logbook, which is actually probably one of the biggest parts of the kit. I have a sack with a radio in it. Infed half wave, this is 20, 30, and 40 meters, wrapped up on a 3D printed wire holder. Got a couple pencils, mechanical pencils, and a stake. Stake is really important. Inside the bag here, I just sewed this together out of some scuba fabric. Got a pair of headphones. Have the transformer for the antenna. This is a 49-to-1. 2 batteries. These are 500 milliamp hours each. These last quite a bit of time. I really only need to bring one out into the field, but I bring 2 just in case. Not very heavy. American Morse Equipment key. I love this thing. I had to make a modification on this though. I had some problems with it keying, so I added these 2 wires here to the ground post, so it doesn't miss a dit or a da. And then finally, MTR 4BV2 with a power cable adapter. That's it. That all fits inside of this gallon bag. It doesn't weigh very much. The only other piece of kit that's required is an antenna mast. This stretches out to 22 feet, I think, so pretty high. In addition to that stuff, I'll bring an HT, just my FT2D here, and I use this mostly for spotting on APRS and making local contacts on 2 meters if there's anybody around. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.